and play on that lion. He saw that lion is sleeping, so he went to the lion and he started running on him. He was running up and down on his hair, and he was enjoying all the time. Like he was having fun on that. Suddenly, the lion got was having a feeling that somebody is running on me, and he just caught a mouse, and he said, "Let now I'll eat you." The mouse said, "Don't eat me. I am very small. I'll not be like I cannot complete. I cannot be your complete food. I'm so small. I can be sometime helpful to you. You leave me, I'll be helpful to you." So lion said, "It's okay, you're so small. What help you can do it to me? And whatever how eating you, it will be not sufficient for me." So he leave the mouse. Once there was an hunters were coming and was hunting for a animals, and they saw that lion is lying down. So they put a net on the lion, and they went to bring a when. So the lion was roaring
Stop.
loud.
Your time is exceeding. Okay. So within a time limit, you have to tell a
Okay.
story. I will tell this story, and both of you have to understand what are the words and what is the flow of speaking. Okay, how you can use your gesture, your postures. Talha Khan, can you listen to me? Talha Khan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can't see you. Can you see?
Yes, sir. I can see, but my camera is on. Video on is on.
Okay. Yeah, this is now. It is okay. So, what we have to do,
Okay.
that we have to learn how to speak storytelling. Today I am going to teach you, both of you, storytelling art. The first, you can see, you can check the timing. If in a limited timing, if you're speaking maximum sentences or impressive words that anybody can understand. Okay, so suppose if I have to start one story, first I will start your story with Talha Khan. You can
Yes, sir.
see how I'm speaking each and every sentence clear, and you have to also speak in the same way. While speaking the sentence, you have to understand that what you are speaking, what is the meaning behind this sentence. I think, Kiran, you understood. I will also tell your story. And when this recording is completed, you can see your accent, your pronunciation, your flow of speech, and your gesture, your postures. So let me begin with your first story, Mr. Talha Khan, that you started with a thirsty crow. Okay, so there was a crow in the forest. Once it was flying in the sky and it felt thirsty. It was feeling extremely thirsty and it was looking for water. So it was searching water, and suddenly from the sky it saw there was a pot on the ground. It flew down and it perched on the top of the pot, and it saw there was a little water, but it could not drink the water. So the crow thought an idea. The crow saw around in the vicinity of the pot. Crow saw that there were some pebbles, stone chips. So crow started picking up the stone chips with its beak and started dropping into the pot. So after some effort, after doing some this hard work of this crow, the level of the water came to the top, and the crow drank the water and it quenched its thirst. So like this, The crow drank the water, and hard work never go in vain. So this is your story and how I was speaking using some words. I also spoke one of the word that in the vicinity. What is the means of in the vicinity? Kiran,
No, sir, I no
Was
idea.
vicinity.
in the vicinity. Vicinity. What is the means of this? You can write it
Uh,
down some of the words that I will give you right now. In the vicinity, look. In the vicinity मतलब के आसपास के चारों तरफ.
okay.
Like in the vicinity of my home, there is a shop. There are many trees in the vicinity of के समीप मतलब उसके चारों तरफ याद रहेगा आपको
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sure.
इसके चार.
जब
All around. That means all around, sir. Correct.
what is the means of the perch.
Perch.
पर्च मतलब होता है आकर जो पौधे जो पक्षी होते हैं ना पक्षी बर्ड्स दे पर्च ऑन द ब्रांचेस उड़ते उड़ते कहीं ना कहीं बैठ जाते हैं डाली पर बैठ जाते हैं ठीक है
Perch.
Okay. Sitting on a tree branch or
हाँ
wherever they get place.
हाँ पर बर्ड्स के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो पर्च होता है ना कि मतलब
Perch.
उड़ते हुए आकर रुक जाना बैठ जाना ठीक है PERCH ओके तो मैंने बताया कि द इट पर्च्ड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द पॉट आकर
Pot.
बैठ ठीक है नाउ
Okay.
आई ऑल्सो गिव द वर्ड दैट प्यास बुझाया व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ प्यास बुझाया
Quenching. No.
मतलब होता है प्यास बुझाना
Quench.
सो
Okay.
इट जैसे मैंने अपनी प्यास आई ड्रैंक द वाटर एंड क्वेंच माई थर्स्ट कैसे बोलेंगे एक सेंटेंस बताइए किरण पहले आप क्वेंच से एक सेंटेंस बताइए
Uh, I was I was playing cricket and I was very thirsty and I got a glass I got a glass of water and I uh, complete my
quenched my thirst
quench my thirst.
तो
Quench.
आप कला खान
Yes.
वन सेंटेंस
Uh, uh, I was thirsty and I drank the water and quench my thirst.
मैंने
Drank my uh,
पानी पिया
water. Drank the water and quench the thirsty.
quenched the thirst में लिखा है देखो ना चैट बॉक्स में
Quench. Okay. Quench thirsty.
देखो सेकंड थर्स्ट पेबल्स मतलब क्या होता है
टेबल. टेबल स्टोन के जो छोटे छोटे वो रहते हैं
एक
स्मॉल
कंकर
पार्ट. कंकर. ओके.
मैंने बताया इट वाज फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई इट फ्लू FLEW ये छोटे छोटे फ्रेजेस होते हैं व्हेन यू हैव टू यूज फ्रेजेस इट फ्लू इन द स्काई okay so now you understood what I'm saying now I would
What's
like
the
to
results?
so these are the words that you can use now I would like to tell one story whatever that Kiran told and be ready and I will also explain some of the words that is quite comfortable and for you to use so Talha Khan and Kiran look at
Yes,
me
sir.
see how I have been telling your story while making and telling the story you always have to make eye contact okay you have to keep the momentum up means you have to draw the attention of your audience and it will happen when you speak in a flow अब जैसे मैंने एक सेंटेंस इट फ्लू इन द स्काई अब मैं बोलूंगा इट फ्लू इन द स्काई इतना नहीं है इट फ्लू इन द स्काई ओके तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे देखिए So there was a mighty lion. It was living in a forest. Once it was sleeping under a shady tree. The lion was fast asleep. After some time, a mouse crossed from there. The mouse saw to the lion. Mouse found that the lion was sleeping. So the mouse started playing in the vicinity of the lion. Mouse also started running across the body of the lion. After sometimes the lion woke up and the lion got very angry. And the lion caught the mouse with its paw and it was about to kill it. Finally, the mouse started begging for his life. The mouse said, "Oh my lord, oh the king of the forest, please leave me, please spare my life. My pardon, please. You are a mighty king and I am a small creature. However, if you leave me, one fine day, I will be also able to help you in the future." Lion heard what Mouse was saying, and Lion started laughing. And Lion thought, the little creature do something with me. But Lion let the mouse go. After a few months, the same lion was trapped under a hunter's net, and the lion was trying hard to come out of it, but it was not succeeded. So the lion's effort was failed. So now the lion started roaring loudly. The lion started roaring loudly, and the same mouse whose life was spared by this lion, the mouse heard the sound. The mouse heard the roaring, and the mouse reached to the spot. The mouse saw the mighty king was helpless at this moment, and the lion was trapped. The mouse said to the lion, "Oh my lord, don't worry. I came here. I will set you free." And without passing no time, the mouse started biting to the ropes of the net. Within few moments, the mouse set the lion free. Both ran from there, each thanking other. So moral of the story is, never underestimate of a power of a little creature. Now you understood. So lot of words that I have used here.
Correct.
Now, like what was the word that you caught it? Which word that you
I was finding hard for the जो पेट भरना. I was finding hard that word. I was not getting word for that.
which word? Tell me.
Uh, उसको खा के मेरा पेट कैसे भरे, मतलब मेरा पेट नहीं भरेगा कुछ, मतलब एक चूहे को खा के मेरा पेट नहीं भरेगा, तो आई वाज नॉट फाइंडिंग दैट वर्ड, पेट भरना.
Okay, means what a little creature do something for me. I told you, छोटा सा जानवर मेरे लिए क्या कर सकता है. Okay, sometimes जैसे वो चिल्लाने लगा, आवाज खेलने लगा, कैसे बोलेंगे तलाकान या फिर आप चूहा
Started crying, started shouting, started begging
स्ट्रक्चर.
for his life.
स्ट्रक्चर आप हमेशा याद रखो कि स्टार्टेड के बाद वर्ब में हम आईएनजी लगाएंगे.
Okay.
Started
इसका
crying,
मतलब होता है
started
करने
begging,
लगा. हाँ,
started
गाने लगा.
crying, started begging. Okay.
तो मेरे आने के बाद से जब मैं वहां से चला आया, तो वे लोग मेरे बारे में बातें करने लगे। जैसे मैं वहां से चला आया। फिर मेरे
When
बाद
I
They started talking about me. Um, uh, they started talking about me. Then they started.
तलह तना बोलिए।
when I came from there, they starting talking about me.
यस, दे स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग। ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अब इसमें इन दिस स्टोरी, इफ यू कैन फाइंड दिस, आई विल स्टॉप दिस अगेन, आई विल